In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure shipping options in WooCommerce. We'll go through the full setup process inside WordPress so you can define where you ship, choose the right shipping methods, and make sure customers see accurate delivery options at checkout. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard. This is where all of your WooCommerce store settings are managed. Once you're in, go to WooCommerce, then Settings, and open the Shipping tab. This section is the control center for shipping in your store, and it's where you'll organize delivery options based on location. The first thing you need to do is create a shipping zone for the country, state, or region you serve. A shipping zone lets WooCommerce know which shipping methods should appear for customers in specific geographic areas. For example, you might have one zone for domestic orders and another for international orders, or separate zones for different states or regions if your rates vary. After creating the zone, add a shipping method to it. This tells WooCommerce how shipping should be calculated for customers in that area. If you need more advanced pricing options, install a flexible shipping plugin. This is especially useful when your rates depend on order conditions rather than a single fixed charge. Once the plugin is installed, open the flexible shipping method and create your shipping rules. Here you can set rates based on factors like the order total, package weight, item quantity, or destination. This gives you much more control and helps you match your shipping costs more accurately to the order. As you set up these rules, make sure they reflect how you actually want to charge customers, so the checkout experience stays clear and consistent. When your rules are ready, save the flexible shipping settings. Always double-check your entries before moving on, since even a small mistake in a condition or rate can affect what customers see during checkout. If you prefer a simpler setup, you can instead add WooCommerce's built-in flat rate shipping method. Enter the flat rate you want to charge, and then add any additional shipping calculation rules available within that method. This is a good option when your pricing is straightforward and doesn't require condition-based logic. You can also add free shipping or local pickup when needed. These options are helpful if you want to offer promotions, support in-person collection, or give customers more flexibility. Finally, test the checkout using addresses from each shipping zone. This step is very important because it confirms that the correct shipping methods and rates appear for the right locations. By testing everything before going live, you can avoid confusion and create a smoother buying experience for your customers.